Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I will be guiding you through how you can change server in AFK Arena. To change the server in AFK Arena, first of all, open up the AFK Arena app on your mobile device. Once the game loads, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner to open up the menu. Now, click on Settings from the bottom. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Server tab, tap on Select Server, and then you will be able to see multiple servers displayed on the screen. Select the new server and click on Confirm. After tapping on Confirm, you will be switched to the new server and can start playing in that region. And that's it. You've successfully changed the server in AFK Arena, allowing you to connect with players from different regions. If you ever need to switch back or try a new server, just follow the same steps. If you found the video helpful, make sure to go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Share and subscribe for more AFK Arena tips and gaming guides. Keep an eye out for more helpful content. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.